Prior to mitosis, each chromosome makes an exact duplicate of itself. The chromosomes then thicken and coil. In early prophase, the centrioles which have divided form asters and move apart. The nuclear membrane begins to disintegrate. In late prophase, the centrioles and asters are at opposite poles. The nucleolus and nuclear membrane have almost disappeared. The doubled chromosomes line up at mid-cell in the metaphase. In early anaphase, the centromeres split. Half the chromosomes move to one pole, half to the other pole. In late anaphase, the chromosomes have almost reached their respective poles. The cell membrane begins to pinch at the centrae. Nuclear membranes form around the separated chromosomes. Mitosis completed. There are two cells with the same structure and number of chromosomes as the parent cell. At the onset of meiosis, DNA strands thicken into chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes begin to approach each other. Homologous chromosomes pair to form bivalents. The centrioles divide and move to opposite poles of the cell. The bivalents duplicate to form tetrads or four chromatid groups. The nuclear membrane disintegrates, crossing over occurs. In metaphase 1, the tetrads attached to spindle fibers at their centromeres line up at mid-cell. The tetrads separate and the paired chromatids move along the spindle to their respective centrioles in early anaphase 1. In late anaphase 1, the chromatids have almost reached the spindle poles. The cell membrane begins to constrict. In telophase 1, nuclear membranes enclose the separated chromatids. The cell membrane completes its constriction. The first meiotic division ends. Prophase 2 begins. Homologous chromatids do not duplicate but merely separate. Phase and anaphase 2 have now been completed. Telophase 2 has been completed as well. There are now 4 cells, each with half the number of chromosomes of the parent cell.